A very good morning to all of you. Myself Rudra Valwal and I read in class 8. Today I will show you a project on heartbeat sensor. In this project we will introduce pulse sensor and Arduino to measure pulse rate, PPM or heartbeat value. The pulse rate will be displayed on 16 into 2 LCD display. A pulse sensor is a hardware device that can be used to measure heart rate or in real time. When paired with a Arduino microcontroller, you can create a simple effective heart rate monitor. And let me show how it is work. This is breadboard and this is Arduino and this is sensor and this is display. First to use, you put your finger on sensor and pulse rate was count in display. And you see pulse rate in display. Thank you.